If you're experiencing frame stuttering in Overwatch 2, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Overwatch 2. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and operating system to confirm they are adequate for smooth gameplay. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Go to the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Installing the latest drivers can often resolve performance issues and improve game stability. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Launch Overwatch 2 and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadows. This can help reduce the load on your system and minimize stuttering. Step 4. Close background applications. Before starting the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can consume system resources and lead to performance issues. Step 5. Monitor temperature and performance. Use software to monitor your CPU and GPU temperatures while playing. If either component is overheating, it can cause stuttering. Ensure your system is well ventilated and consider cleaning dust from fans or using additional cooling solutions if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate frame stuttering in Overwatch 2, leading to a smoother gaming experience.